welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel, and if you're new here, this is my second channel. My main channel is Dark as Raven Designs, and you can find that in the top right hand corner. But today I wanted to share a ScrawlrBox with you. Now this is not a subscription, and this is not a recent box. This is a reorder of a previous box, which is the November 2020 box. It has the Derwent GraphiTint pen set in it, and if you buy that here in Australia, just that paint set, it is about 40 to 50 Australian dollars. This whole box, including shipping, cost me $40. So it was on special. I think it was £17 buying that in the UK. And let's just get on into it, right? I took off all the address information. Just one little rip and you're into your art supplies. Let's try that out, shall we? Ta-da! Oh, well, it's all well contained still. There is the lolly, mint ice, and the art supplies. The Scrawler zine of November 2020. The featured artist print. I think it's supposed to be like that. I'm not sure. By Claudia Draxage. And the Langton Dalerani watercolor 300 GSM. Is it cold press? Cold press paper. Nice. Little scroller sticker. Very cute. First up we have a matte vinyl sticker, which is really, really nice. And the challenge was a liquid landscape for that month. Then we have the Derwent GraphiTint in Midnight Black pencil. And of course the paint pen set, what it's all about. And this is plastic, but it actually feels like a really good quality plastic. And it comes with that, it's like a vellum sheet of testing of this stuff. And then, how do we open this? Like so. Comes with this water paintbrush that you can fill. It has a sponge. And are these removable? They are. And are these removable too? They are. It's interesting. These are removable as well. Nice. It's a funky little set, this one, but I don't mind it. There we have it. Let's do some swatching. So I painted this off camera, and I did some, testing with erasing as well, and just blotting colors into each other. It gets muddy very fast. I do like these muted colors, so let's just color this one in. I went with a spooky vibe, obviously, because it's Halloween. I'm just going to fill up this water brush, because I do like this water brush, and speed this up for you all. Now looking at my actual swatches, they are a little bit darker than these ones, and I mean a little bit. I kind of want to go with this very dark, what is it? Steel blue or dark indigo for the background, night sky, even aubergine. Because I want to do the tree that color. So what I might do is the dark indigo and aubergine combined. These activate really easily, so I'm really happy with that. Just gonna start behind the tree here. So I wanted a blue tree. So here I'm creating that blue tree with the color ocean blue. It's still kind of dark, but you know, these are all based on graphite, so it's all on the darker side, which I don't mind. I actually like that muted palette. Though I have to say it is also gritty because it is based on that graphite. So it's just a different look you're going for. So for the soil, I think I'm just gonna go with this darker color, just to make the tree stand out a little bit more, which is green gray. And I will give this an outline, just because that's how I work. So I will do that. And then on the outside, I think I might, so I did mix before as well when I was testing some stuff. So mix that yellow. It's already green, isn't it? How about if I slap that on here? Mix it with a bit of the blue, so it goes darker green. I do like that effect, so yeah, I might just darken up some spots here. That green gray, a little bit of that darker green over the top. And I think it is time for me to color in the pumpkins. And the raven, by the way. The raven should be, I think, also that darker gray, green gray. And then for the pumpkins, I'm pretty sure that this is pretty orange, which is the, what is that? Russet? Bit of that autumn leaves in there. All right, so I'm pretty sure I'm mostly done with this piece. Now I want to just go over this because it has that pencil, that graphite pencil, and I just want the clouds to be white. So if I go over it, it will just disappear. And it is parts that I can't really erase, but it just disappears with water. So I do like that pencil. Here we go. I'm just gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna go over it with a fine liner. Didn't come in the box, but I just want to finish this piece properly, so let's do that. Gonna do the line art with this Uniball Eye micro pen. It's one of my favorite waterproof liners, and I have not seen them in any boxes yet, but hey, any box creators, if you're watching, these are really good. And I normally just like to either have a broken line or have a double line. But yeah, I really like this liner pen. I've sent them to a few friends of mine, and they seem to all like them very much as well. So there we have it, some art with the GraphiTint paint pan pocket set by Derwent. And I must say I really like this paint. It does go a little bit mushy when you put a lot of water on there, but it's just a different product from watercolors. So last year for my birthday I bought this one, which is an electrical eraser by Derwent, and this is erasable. So I thought maybe to put some stars in, and probably also made that cloud a little bit lighter. So because this is graphite, it's better to just dust it off. And this definitely needs a spray when you're done painting, because it will still give when you're done with it. But I'm pretty happy with these highlights, but I want to add a few more. What best way to do that other than a uniball signal? Just a few on the pumpkins. And just bring out those stars a little bit more. It worked fine on the tray, but probably because that was the lightest of the paint that I used. So what I'm doing now is basically put a dot in the middle of those erased parts, so it looks like a little bit of a glow around it. So finishing this piece off, I hope you enjoyed this video. I was supposed to do this like 4 months ago, but time got away from me and life got busy. So here it is anyway. I ordered it because it was on special. See what it's like, and I really like ScrawlrBox. So let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed these kind of videos, and would you like to see me do this again? Yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you thought. And I'm wishing you all a happy Halloween. Bye bye.